So what is the difference between inside and outside mount? Up here we have two cordless roller shades. They both have the snap and glide technology, but the difference between them is how they are mounted. One is installed with an inside mount and the other is installed with an outside mount.
That's right. So inside mount means that the blind is installed on the inside of the window frame, and for outside mount, the blind is installed on the outside of the window frame.
For inside mount, you're going to want the blind to sit flush with the window frame.
Sometimes if you have a thin frame, the blind might stick out a little. We call that a partial mount.
Inside mount is the more popular of the two because it has the cleanest look.
Again, if you prefer inside mount, the blinds will be set inside the window frame. Now, inside mount is perfect if you have window drapes, as the drapes won't get caught on the blinds because they're recessed into the window frame.
Now, when measuring for inside mount, you're going to want to measure from end to end of the window frame, like so. Voila. Once you have that measurement, then just select a product, choose inside or outside mount, and that's it. There's no need to make any further deductions for inside mount.
That's right. So when you're selecting a product and you want the blinds to sit on the inside of the window frame, make sure you select inside mount, because then you'll receive the correct size with all the proper deductions so that your blind or shade fits perfect. If we try to install a product that's outside mount and fit it on the inside, that just won't work.
For outside mount, that means that your blind will be on the outside of the frame. So if you don't like those little gaps of light, or if you want to hide an ugly frame, then outside mount is the way to go.
Now, we recommend adding 2 to 3 inches on both ends when you're installing the outside mount for a total of 4 to 6 inches added to your window measurements.
This part is entirely up to the customer because let's say I order a 36-inch outside mount blind. What arrives will be exactly that, 36 inches. So if I want that outside mount, I need to add a couple inches so that the entire window frame is covered.
And make sure you have enough room on the top and the sides to install the blind. So it really just comes down to individual preference and whether you want your blinds to sit on the inside or the outside of your window frame.
So that's the difference between inside mount and outside mount. Thanks for watching, and we are Chicology, simple,
affordable blinds.